Hi guys, and welcome to Wednesday's IPC lesson. I hope you've been enjoying the Greek myths. Greek myths will carry on in English now. Miss Kate is going to give that lesson today. You are going to be looking at another exciting Greek myth. Today in IPC, our learning goal is to understand that you belong to a number of groups. Do you think that's knowledge, skills, or understanding? Yes, that is understanding, isn't it? So, your activity today is to look at the circles and think how close or which group each person or group of people belongs to for you. You are in the middle here. Okay, think about the people that you spend most time with, especially in lockdown. It might make it easier. If you spend an awful lot of time with those people, like who might it be? Yeah, your brother or your sister. They would be very close to you. So everybody in this group around here are going to be close to you. A group of people that are very connected with you. And then the next group of people a little bit further away. So you don't see us all the time, and we don't live in your houses. But I would guess your teacher is somebody that's quite close to you. You see them very often, you know them quite well. And then who would you say would be on this very outside? They're still involved with you. They're still people that you have connections with, but you might not even know them personally. You might just have seen them on the television. Yes, I would say maybe somebody like the president would be on the outside. And you can decide with somebody like Mr. Cox, you might not have seen him very often, but he might be on this outside because you have actually, on this middle bit here, you have actually met him and you do know him. Okay, you choose where you think all of these people or groups of people go. Cut them out and stick them onto the circle that you think corresponds with them according to how close they are to you. Okay, thanks guys, I will see you tomorrow.